Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to upload a song on Soundcloud. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and in this video, we're mainly looking on how to upload a song. In the navbar, right next to your profile picture, you'll see a button like this that says upload. Simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Well, from here, what you can do is simply drag and drop your tracks or albums from right here, or simply choose files to upload. I'm gonna upload some right now. Well, as you can see, I am uploading a song, and from here you can upload images. Here's the title, genre and everything. Simply select the genre of the choice. Just fill in the additional tags, description, captions and everything. And right here, here's something like privacy. Well, it can be public, private or scheduled. But do note that in order to schedule, what you need to do is get a pro subscription. In the tab right here, there are some things like metadata. You can play around with these as well, permissions and advanced. Well guys, once everything's okay, what you need to do is simply hit on save. And guys, that's it. That's how you upload a song. And guys, that's it. That's how you upload a song in SoundCloud. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.